Bandodkar Football Stadium will be rebuilt at its original site at Kampal. Recently, there were reports in a section of media that the stadium could be built elsewhere due to a technical problem with the original spot. However, a detailed check with the dimensions has sorted out the problem. A 3-day fun festival comprising various sports and music events came to a conclusion on Sunday evening. The program organised by the Panjim Sports Festival Committee received a warm response.
रिस्पॉन्स बरोच मेळ्ळो आमकां 80 पार्टिसिपंट जातले आमकां कालच्या टुर्नामेंटाक आनी आजच्या टुर्नामेंटाक अबावट 40 बरो रिस्पॉन्स मेळ्ळो आमकां. सांगपाचें म्हटल्यार वी मस्ट सपोर्ट कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ बांदोडकर ग्राउंड.
Good evening, friends. This SAG Stadium, football stadium, they want to renovate and have a new stadium. So we are in support of that. We are going to take a cycle rally and we are going to move in Panji, from Panji to Church Square, from Church Square to Dona Paula and back here. We are very enthusiastic about this. We like to share our cycle groups. We are the Goa Renderer. We support these things, sports thing. Go Green is our motto.
You and the other organizers must be very happy with what has gone on here.
Yes, we are very happy. Mr. Parikar has also assured us that he will take up this issue immediately in the month of May, and he's promised to complete this stadium very speedily.
Right. Now, some days back there was a slight technical doubt that was expressed that this ground, reconstruction of the stadium may not be possible at this very ground, but I think that doubt is now expelled and the reconstruction will be very much at this original venue of the stadium.
Yes, actually the statements which we had made were misinterpreted. What we said was initial layout was in the east-west direction, and the sunlight used to come in the eyes of the goalkeeper, and under that layout it is not possible. But the GFA along with the sports authority have taken this into consideration and they have given the stadium a slight tilt. So this stadium is going to be diagonal, and this problem of the sunlight coming into the eyes of the goalkeepers will not arise. So the stadium can be constructed in that fashion, and it is a possibility.
Now that the issue of the venue is sorted out, it now remains to be seen when the actual work of the stadium will start. So any idea on what is the time limit that the stadium will be built in and when it would be undertaken?
I think it can definitely be constructed within a period of 1 year. Only government will is required. Now, sometime back when our delegation had gone to meet Honorable CM Mr. Manohar Parikar, he told us to come and meet him in the month of May till he sorts out other issues. The ministry had not been formed and all. So now those issues have been sorted out. The ministry has been appointed, and now we are probably going to meet him in the coming week.
Romeo Fernandes has announced himself as the future star with his fantastic goal-scoring run for Dempo Sports Club Juniors this season. The Asolna-based youngster has been in great form this season, scoring bucketful of goals in the under-20 tournaments. With this super performance to back him, Romeo becomes one of the youngsters who is likely to be inducted in the senior Dempo squad next season.
From humble backgrounds, this 19-year-old from Ambeli can now dream big. His passionate love affair with football can take Romeo to stardom. With Lionel Messi as his idol, Romeo has a great role model and is working hard to improve his game. The most important part of football is to score goals, and it seems that Romeo has a tremendous appetite for goals. The raw material is wonderful, and master craftsman coach Armando Colasso can take Romeo to the next level. Romeo is only very happy to be receiving guidance from the most successful coach in India. The next target for Romeo is the knockout stage of I-League Under-20 in Kolkata. Romeo wants to impress in the away matches to cap a brilliant season for him. Our reporter from Asolna, Savio Dias.
Now don't worry if you have missed this bulletin, log on to www.prudentmedia.in. You can also catch latest updates on Twitter by following us at Prudent Goa. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media.